Right, so I'm going to show you how BillyBot works in action. So obviously we've got the app on the mobile, click on the app. So I can send a voice message or a text, but voice I find is so much easier. So tap to speak. Hi Billy, can you make me a quote for a new customer called Dave Smith?
Right, I can get that quote sorted for you. Just need a few details first. What's Dave's email and phone number? What's the site address and postcode? And what rooms are we doing with the dimensions and flooring types?
So it's dave.smith997766 at yahoo.com. His mobile number is 07525 525 525. And his address is 17 South Street, Bournemouth, BH19 7PQ. And we are doing actually a pub kitchen for him. It needs taking up and latexing, and then we're going to fit ultra walkway safety flooring with cove skirtings. And the room size is 5 by 6.5. So Billy now has all the information to create a quote. He's got the floor type and the prep that's needed and the room size and all the customer's details. And so now he's building a quote. So we have the quote lines here. So we just need to check through that everything's correct.
Perfect, sorted. I'm generating the quote for Dave Smith's pub kitchen now. 5 by 6.5 meters of ultra walkway safety flooring with COVID skirtings, uplift and latex prep. Should be ready in a moment.
So yeah, we can just go through and check the quote lines, make sure they're all correct. He's worked out the total square meterage, the total meters of cove skirting required, added a weld rod, and then each unit price is the price that I've preset in my account. So you preset your pricing for certain things in your account, but for products like Ultra Walkway, Billy will actually find the product in your price list where you upload suppliers price lists, so that Billy can use that price, apply your markup, and then the price shown in the quote lines will reflect your supplier's prices plus your markup. So I can go through, that all looks perfect, so I can click generate quote. So this is now going to send the quote lines to either Sage, Xero, QuickBooks, or a PDF if you don't use any of them. This is currently set to PDF, so we should get a quote built as a PDF. Right, so yeah, the quotes come through. You can open that one. And there is the PDF quote. I've currently got the settings set to split the labour into the notes section, which is handy for when you're like a flooring shop, but your fitters are paid directly. You can split the labour items from the main line items. So yeah, that's the quote built. So now I can go through and say, can you send that to Dave, please?
Done. I've sent quote Q0161 to Dave Smith at dave.smith997766 at yahoo.com with the PDF attached. He should have it now.
Cool. So the quote's been sent to Dave. So let's just make out, well, I can show you the quote actually here. So the quote would come through like that in an email. Sorry. Where have we gone? There we go. So there's the quote there. And you can click on it and that will open the quote. So that's how your customer would receive the quote by email. Right, so let's make out that Dave, are we saying Dave? Yeah, Dave's now accepted the quote. Dave has accepted the quote. Can we book it in the diary for next Wednesday for prep, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. and then book it in the diary for next Thursday for fitting, for all day, 8 till 4:30. And can you put Steve as the fitter? So what's happening now is Billy's booking the job in the diary, and because it's being booked in the diary, obviously it means the job's going ahead. So Billy's automatically gone ahead and started building a job sheet for that job. So the job will be in the jobs page here, and there'll now be a job sheet built within that jobs page. So all your fitters can literally just click on the jobs page, and the full job sheet will be within that page. And obviously he's booked this job into the diary as well. We'll have a look at those pages. So the job sheet's been created. So that's how a job sheet looks. So that holds all the information for the job. And he's just replied to say, let's see what he's saying. So sorted, I've booked it. Yeah, it's all booked in and everything. And the job sheet has been added to the job. The quote's also in the job page. And contact details for Dave are also here, so you can email him, call him, or open his address in the maps from the jobs page as well. And we'll check the diary. When did we say next Wednesday? Yeah, so you can see Dave Smith for prep, pub kitchen prep, 8 till 10, and then Dave Smith 8 till 4:30, pub kitchen fitting. And from that you can also open his address in maps or view the job page. So is that one like that. So say now we need rams, so I can say, Billy, can you make me some rams for the Dave Smith's pub kitchen, please? So yeah, rams have been created. You can click on there, and that is a full method statement built there for this particular job. And click on this one, and that's a full risk assessment built for this particular job. You can see all the job details up there, and you can go through all that, but it's all perfect. Your fitters will get notification that these rams need to be signed. As soon as these rams are created, they'll get notified on their app, and they can go on and click on the notification, click sign, and it'll open up a sign box. You just quickly sign it, submit that, and then once all the fitters have signed the rams digitally, you can then go on and send those rams completed to your customers. So yeah, in the jobs page now we have the RAM, the risk assessment, and the method statement for this job. So now everything related to this job is all kept in one place, so everyone can find the original quote, the job sheet, risk assessment and method statement, the customer's email address, phone number, maps. It's all there in one place. So another cool feature is Billy can send emails for you on your behalf. So for example, Billy, can you send an email to Steve Jones, the one at Bartlett Court? Can you ask him if we can come and look at his kitchen flooring next Thursday at 8?
Sorted. I've sent an email to Steve Jones at 14 Bartlett Court asking if we can come and look at his kitchen flooring next Thursday at 8 in the morning. He should have it now.
So, and there's the email coming through now. So hi. So this is all completely generated by Billy. Hi Steve, hope you're well. Just wanted to check if we could pop round to look at your kitchen flooring next Thursday at 8 a.m. Let me know if that works for you or if another time would be better. Cheers, Profit. So that's written in our style, how we would write the email. And Billy saves like a memory of how you send your email. So emails are written in more or less how you would write them. That's pretty much exactly what I would type if I was to write them myself.